what's up everyone, how's it going? This is a small extract from my last video on JavaScript array methods. I'm going to link that video down below. Make sure you check it out if you're interested in finding out more about how to manipulate arrays. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you know whenever I release new content on this channel. To all my subscribers, thank you so much. I hope you enjoy this video.
The find method returns the first element in an array that passes a test that we create with a testing method. So for example, if we want to find the first animal whose type is 3 characters long, we can do const first 3 character animal equals animals.find x.type.length equals 3, and when we output that, we're going to see that the first 3 character animal is an object with type dog. Find index does the same thing as find, except instead of actually returning the element, it just returns the index of that element. So using the same example as find, if we change this to find index, we're going to see that first 3 character animal returns 0 instead of the object because it's returning the position of that element. Includes is a method similar to find and find index, except instead of returning an element or an index, it returns a Boolean value that determines whether an element exists within an array. So for example, if we want to check whether our names array includes the value Snoopy, we can do const has Snoopy equals names.includes and then Snoopy, and then when we output that, we can see that it returns true. Index of searches an array and returns the index of the first found element. So for example, if we're going to search for Snoopy in the names array, we can do Snoopy index equals names.index of Snoopy, and then when we output that, we can see that we found it at location 1. Last index of works the same as index of, but instead of starting at the beginning of the array, it starts at the end, and so it's going to return essentially the last index that it finds of that element. So if we have 2 Dexters and we console log names.last index of Dexter, it's going to return this element here rather than this one here. And just to compare, if we put index of, it's going to return the first one instead of this one.